G'day, Mitch here from Adex Vanguard. So, you're looking at buying a Boss Adventures van. Now there's two things that I get asked on the daily about our ceramic coating products. Number one, what can actually be protected by Vanguard coatings? And two, why do I need to protect my van? So, depending on what package you get, there's a fair few options. So our starter pack is the basic 4 sides. Included in the 4 sides is absolutely everything that you can physically touch on the 4 sides of the van. So that includes your exterior cladding, your checker plates, all your hatches, your windows, even your silicone seals. Now we're the only protection specialist on the market that fully protects all your silicone seals. It helps with silicone breakdown prevention. It also helps them stay clean. And when you're on the road, washing is an absolute breeze. If you've ever had an old Caravan, you will know the struggles of having to scrub out your silicone seals when you get back from a big trip away. With the Vanguard coatings, that'll never happen. We can also coat your wheels, your chassis, your underbody, everything under your Caravan that sees the harsh road grime, dirt, salt water, everything, we coat the lot. We can also coat your roof. It is absolutely essential that you get your roof coated. When you're on the road, we want you to enjoy yourself, have fun, not have to worry about getting up there and cleaning it. As part of the roof, again, we coat absolutely everything that you can touch. This includes your solar panels, all your rubber seals, your hatches, your aircon, absolutely everything. The best part, you don't lose solar panel efficiency because they wash themselves in the rain. How good's that? So this is Boss Adventures' brand new release. It is that new, it hasn't even been hooked up to power yet. So I can't show you the inside, but if you want, we can even coat the inside of your Caravan. So that includes all leathers, all fabrics, your shower and your splashback. The whole thing, you are covered. Now, no matter what package you end up going with, you're always gonna get the Adex Vanguard Essential Maintenance Kit. So in your maintenance kit, you'll always get a gloss shampoo. This shampoo is pH neutral and ceramic safe, perfect for washing the exterior of your van. You get your wash mitt included, so this is when the van is extremely grubby. You get in there, give it a nice gentle hand wash, no scrubbing, just a gentle hand wash, and it will come up absolutely beautiful. This easy coat, as the name suggests, super easy to apply. Plug it into your hose, spray it over the van. It just makes sure it keeps that gloss pop and keeps that van absolutely perfect. Also in your wash kit, you get a full maintenance guide that'll run you through how to look after your van for the many years to come. Now remember, if you use all these products, you get lifetime warranty. They are absolutely essential to keep your van looking brand new. So taking all that into account, there are endless reasons why Vanguard ceramic coatings are essential. But number one, protecting your assets. Vans aren't cheap anymore. And when it does come time to sell, you're gonna be very, very glad you came and saw us.